Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on OPPO Find X3 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings and then scroll all the way down, enter additional settings, go for gestures and motions. Here I already covered screen off gestures in another video called all screen off gestures on this device. If you're interested, be sure to check it out. Next, we have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. Let's try them. This one works fine. And if we want to take a partial screenshot, hold your 3 fingers onto the screen and select the amount of the screenshot. Next is raise to wake. If you activate it, you can lock your device, pick it up with a grip, and it should wake up without touching any buttons. Next is lift to ear to answer the calls. Now, if you receive any calls, you can lift your phone to your ear and it should answer the call automatically. The same it works with auto switch to receiver. If you're using the receiver or headphones, if you lift your phone to your ear, it will answer them call on the receiver or headphones. Now, last option is to flip to mute incoming calls. If we lock our device, put it upside down, it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.